Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alexa Cindy Safara Anasuwa and I'm student of Information System at Bina Sarana Informatika University. And today, I would like to share you about my presentation of hardware of a computer. And I hope this presentation give you all some useful insight and I hope all of you can enjoy it and please listen carefully. Thank you. Okay, what is a hardware of computer? So, what is a hardware? As you can see, hardware is a component of any device, especially a computer. It includes all the components you can touch, such as a keyboard or a monitor or a mouse and etc. And hardware works together with software to make the device function as well. So in a simple way, imagine that the software and hardware is a full body that make all of things perfect. Like software is a brain and give the instruction to the hardware or give a signal to the hardware to do some tasks and or instruction. So the body or the hardware doing the task that the brain give a signal, some task to do, and the body or the hardware is do that thing. As you know, inside a computer has so many hardware, so I would like to tell you classification of a hardware inside of computer. At least types of a hardware is divided into 5 types. First is input device. What is input device? Input device is a device that send a data or information into the inside of computer. For example, like keyboard, who type or give the signal of the word that can access to the computer, or webcam who send a picture or video to a computer, and then scanner who scan the folder or file to a computer. And second one is processing device. What is processing device? Processing device is a device that can process the data or manage the data so it can be placed into a computer safely, carefully, and it can acceptable data to a computer can process. For example, the device is CPU or central processing unit. It called processor and RAM, random access memory, who can save or who can manage the data, and then motherboard who can manage the instruction so it can running as well. And the third one is output device. What is output device? Output device that can change the data into computer, send to a real life, or we can touch and see the data. For example, like printer who can print the file to a paper, and projector that we can see the screen widely, and then a headphone, and so many devices that we can see the result or present the result of a computer data, so we can see, touch, and hear it. Okay, next. And then the fourth is storage device. What is storage device? Like the name is storage. Storage device is the device can keep or save the file or the data inside the computer. It protects the data too, and storage device is RAM, random access memory, flash disk, or DVD, CD, and so many example device that can be a storage, so it can be save our data and permanently or temporarily. And then the last one is communication device. Communication device is a function to make our device to another device is connection each other. It's like a Wi-Fi or modem. It can give us access of the internet or to another device, so it can be connected each other. Beside hardware or device that I mentioned earlier, it's most of them is external device. So what the device that they really have important role that make the computer turn on. So what the main hardware computer, it's a device that essential physical part of a computer to make the computer works properly. Okay, the first device that have important role of empowering the computer is CPU. What is the CPU? CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is like the brain of the computer that perform calculation and processing. It processes all instruction and all programs. So uh, it's like brain of the computer that gives a signal or instruction to all hardware. And when the CPU has multiple cores, allow processing of several tasks at the same time. And then another device that also very important to a computer, of course, monitor. As you know, monitor is like uh, main things about computer. So the function of the monitor is display of visual output of the computer. Monitor have three types. First is CRT monitor. Second is LED monitor, and then OLED monitor. CRT monitor is a tube display. Tube display larger and heavier, usually outdated. So it's like never it's like rarely used in this era. So next is LED monitor. It's more thin and light than the CRT monitor. The LED or LCD monitor is more energy efficient, so not use big energy than CRT monitor. OLED monitor display sharper color. Commonly use high quality monitor. Okay, then resolution of monitor measured in pixel. Like full HD or 4K, it's the highest resolution in this era. More higher resolution, it can present clear and more detailed image. Okay, next, motherboard. What is motherboard? The function of motherboard is circuit board that connect all of computer to work together. Inside of motherboard have a chipset that's manage all the data inside of computer between the CPU, memory, and peripherals. And motherboard affect compatibility and performance. Motherboard have so many slots, various slots for CPU, RAM, and expansion card determine upgrade option. Okay, next RAM. RAM is shorted of random access memory. The function of RAM is temporary storage for data being processed by the CPU. So more RAM or higher RAM, it's better multitasking process. So more RAM or more higher RAM, it's better performance of multitasking. Okay, RAM is have important things with speed. So faster access time compared to storage device. Important for more multitasking and running applications smoothly. Capacity of RAM measured in gigabyte. More RAM allow more application to run at the same time without slowing down. So RAM have important roles for running the application smoothly. Okay, next is HDD or hard disk drive. Hard disk drive have a function. Actually, it's a traditional storage device that uses a spinning disk to read or write data. It's called hard disk because it's large storage but slower. For the performance, hard disk is slower than SSD, especially in terms of data access and boot time. For the capacity is in generally hard disk offer a large storage capacity at a more affordable price. compared to SSD, making ideal for large storage. Okay, next, as I told you before, hard disk or HDD is more slower than SSD. The SSD is solid state drive. It's a storage device that uses a flash memory to store data. It's called a solid state drive. Faster storage but more expensive than hard disk. For the performance, it's much faster in terms of data access and boot time. For the durability, it's not have moving part, making the SSD more resistant to physical shock and damage. Okay, next, VGA or visual graphic array. What is a VGA? VGA function is it generates image and video, enhancing a graphic performance. A VGA or visual graphic array is a standard for displaying video output from a computer to a monitor. Also used for displaying graphics and text for computer screens. The type of a VGA first is integrated graphic built into the CPU, suitable for general use. And second one is dedicated graphic card, more powerful with its own memory or VRAM. What's the importance of the VRAM? It affects performance tasks and require intensive graphic. Okay, then fan cooler. As the name fan cooler function is keeps the components still cool by the circulating air. Fan cooler have two types. First is case fan. It's for manage overall airflow. The second one is CPU cooler. It's especially for cools the processor. For the airflow direction, fan can be configured to draw in cool air or expel hot air. Proper airflow is essential for longevity of components. Okay, then part of the hardware, that main part of the computer, it's a cable. It's for transmitting the audio and video from the computer to the monitor. The HDMI cables have so various versions, have 1.4 or 2.0 and then 2.1, and it can be upgraded and it supports different resolution and refresh rate. HDMI cables is very important for simplified connection by transmitting audio and video through a single cables, reducing clutter. Okay, the next important cable is VGA cables. Its function for connects the computer to a monitor for transferring video signal. The technology of VGA cable, older analog standard, primarily used for connecting CRT monitor and some LCD. For the quality VGA cable, limited resolution to compare digital connection. Typically support up to 1080 pixel. Okay, next, WLAN cables or Wi-Fi antenna. Its function for facilitates wireless communication for network connectivity. LAN are used to connect devices such as a computer, routers, and switch within a local network. They transmit data through electrical signal, enabling fast and stable wired communication for internet access, file sharing, and network application. The type of WLAN cables is internal antenna built into device or external antenna to boost signal strength. Importance of a LAN cable is enable device to connect to Wi-Fi networks, providing to internet access and communication with other devices. Okay, next we talk about Wi-Fi card. What's the Wi-Fi card? Wi-Fi card provide wireless network connectivity for desktop computer. For the installation, it's installed into an available PCIe slot on the motherboard. Wi-Fi PCIe card have features that support various Wi-Fi standards. For the example, Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6 for improved speed and rate. Okay, next, DVD drive. DVD drive for read data from DVD or CD. Commonly used for playing media, installing software, and reading data disks. DVD has two types. First is DVD-RW. It can write data and rewrite data, and DVD-ROM to read only drive. Okay, the last one is PC tower. PC tower is houses and protect internal component. And PC tower has three types. First is mini tower. It's just for compact system. Second is mid tower, standard size of desktop. Third one is large tower. It's for large space for expansion. Airflow consideration. It's good ventilation, prevent overheating, and strategically placed fans promote efficient airflow. Okay, thank you guys for your attention, and we just learned about many types of hardware and the main component that have important roles of the empowering computers. So I hope this presentation have useful insight for all of you, and thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.